Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use ChatGPT for writing and productivity. Whether you need help drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, or automating repetitive tasks, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to boost efficiency. How ChatGPT enhances productivity. ChatGPT leverages AI to assist with various tasks, from writing and editing to research and automation, saving you time and effort. Ways to use ChatGPT for writing and productivity. 1. Draft emails and documents. Simply input a topic or key points, and ChatGPT can generate professional emails, reports, or even blog posts in seconds. 2. Brainstorm ideas. Need inspiration? Use ChatGPT to generate creative ideas for content, marketing strategies, or project planning. 3. Summarize information. Paste articles, meeting notes, or research papers, and ChatGPT will condense key points for quick understanding. 4. Edit and improve writing. Get instant feedback on grammar, clarity, and tone to refine your writing for a polished final draft. 5. Automate repetitive tasks. Set up workflows to generate templates, code snippets, or structured content without starting from scratch each time. Tips for maximizing ChatGPT's potential. Provide clear and detailed prompts for better responses. Use follow-up queries to refine answers and improve accuracy. Experiment with different styles and formats to suit your needs. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your workflow, enhance creativity, and improve overall productivity. How do you use ChatGPT for daily tasks? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.